Hello, my dear students. Let's learn how we can develop an e-commerce website for free. And this process will be completed in two different steps. First, we need to create a domain in hosting, and the second one is we will create an AI website. So let's start. The first thing is you need to go to this website, Award Space, and sign up with your email. Once you sign up this website, it will ask you for some verification, and you can do that verification. Once the verification is done, you can always log into your workspace. This website, Workspace, will allow you to host your website, and also it will give you some domain name. First, you need to set up a subdomain. It's about, obviously this free version will come with some limitation, which I will discuss later on. First thing, this is the interface or control panel for this website. Now, first thing, you need to create a domain. Domain means your business name, but obviously when you create a free domain, it will come with the ad space subdomains. You can register a new domain, or you can create a free subdomain. Click here on free subdomain, and the system will ask you to write the name of your website. Here I'm writing Applied Digital Enterprise and click on create. Once you click on this, you will see that domain is created, and the domain name is applieddigitalenterprise.atwebpages.com. It means that this is a subdomain for this website, and you are allowed to work on 1 GB free space. You have one domain. I have another domain, but for now, let's just delete the existing one, so we don't want any confusion. Once you created this subdomain, now it is your time to install WordPress on your website. We are using WordPress for this website. WordPress needs to be installed. So to install WordPress on this website, you just go to dashboard, and in the dashboard you need to use this Zeki app installer. Click here, and once you are here, you need to click browse and install apps, and this will allow you to install many different options. So we're planning for WordPress, or you can, if you have multiple domains, you can always change domain name from here. But if you have only one domain, so that's fine. Apply digitalenterprise.atwebpages.com. So click on the WordPress and proceed to step 2. It will take some time. The system will ask you a few questions. So what is the website title? So this is like, select the password, then click on install application. This will take some time, and system will create a WordPress installation on your PC. Once the setup is completed, you will see that this is the website, and this is if you want to access quickly, or you can always manage your website from here. So click on this one. This is the first interface of your website. You can always work with the website and improve it. To gain access to your WordPress domain, click on your web link /wp-admin. This is WordPress control panel. So you can type your username and password here and click on login. Now you have access to WordPress website. And this is where you can completely manage your WordPress website. Now this is to create a web hosting and a domain for your website, for your business. This is where the first step is completed. Now the next step is you need to develop a website, a AI-based website, and we will import that website here on this page. You can see that this website is very basic blog page, but we want to make it very lucrative website. So I will use this website, ZWP. Click on this website builder, ZWP, and it will take you through another. And you can always create your username and log in here. Once you log into ZipWP, just click on create new and a complete website. Type the name of your website. For example, my website name is Digital Presence, Digital Content, and I can click on next. You need to provide the description of your website. I can use AI to generate this if I'm not satisfied, so I can just quickly edit the text. And if I want to change anything, you can just continue changing that. Once you are satisfied with the description of your website, click next, and it will ask you the information you want to add. Then click next. It will ask you to select some pictures related to your website. Most of the time, I would recommend you to select different sizes, different type of the content, different color scheme that will help you to generate a really good website. If you want to select, if you to upload your own image, you can just click here and upload your own images here. Once it is done, click next. Now you will be asked to select some themes. There are many themes available. You can select based on your own requirement. The premium ones are not free, and the other, this one look much better for me. I will just use this option. Select this one, and if you want to change anything here, you just look at this, and this is a panel where you will have the different options to change the layout of your website. Depending on your color scheme, you can always change depending on your text. Once you're satisfied with the content and with the layout, you can just click on next. And this is where you can select whether you want to go with the e-commerce option or not, or you want to add booking an appointment, live and free chats. This is also one of the options we will need to work with. You can always select all these options, that's your choice, or we can always create these different plugins later on, or we can link our website with these plugins later on. I'm building a very simple website, so once I click on the start, it will ask me whether you want to continue with your website. I'll just click on building website, start building, and it will start building my website. Once your website is ready, you can see that this is the credentials you need to use, and this is the website URL. But this tool is just for the website generation. We need to export this website to WordPress. So that is the step 3. So first click on this and check your website. If you're comfortable with the website and everything is in order, the next step is to export this website. So to export this website, you need to go to the dashboard and you need to install a plugin. The plugin name WP Vivid. This one, the first one, you need to install this plugin. Once you click here, install now and activate this plugin. Once you activate this plugin, first thing is click on backup now. So it will create the backup of your website, and then we'll download that backup, and we'll do the same with our WordPress website, where we'll install the same plugin and restore the website from this backup. Now you can see that this website is backup, and you can just click here and download this website. Once your website is downloaded, the work for this WordPress website developer is completed. I'll go back to my WordPress website, the actual WordPress website. I'll go to the plugins again. This is the last step. I'll go back to my website again and look at the add new plugin, and I will install the same plugin here. So similar plugin I will install on this website, and later on I can just quickly install it. Now this time I have to upload. Click on the upload button and need to select the file which we just downloaded, and then click upload. It will take some time to upload your website. Once the uploading process has been completed, and you can quickly restore your website from here and done your website in WordPress created, and you can use this website forever without any interruption. Let's just wait for the website uploaded. Now you can see that once the website is uploaded, you have this option restore. Click on restore and click here on restore option. Yes, and system will start restoring your website on this WordPress site. Once you receive this message, it means that your website is ready now, and you can always check your website. This is the website. You can view your website.